Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now today we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project interact and write per contract section of the module. And we're going to pick up with some light reading. Now yesterday we went over the process of printing out our portal number using the RPC variable that we created. So today we're going to do some light reading, explaining what takes next after that process is handled. So the next thing we want to do is create the EMV object. To do this, we can say EMV equals network EMV, Ethereum RPC. The Titanoboa documentation will help us get a better understanding of this line of code. The EMV equals network EMV, Ethereum RPC. Note, we can find the documentation at titanoboa.readthedocs.io. Now, once inside the documentation, we will navigate to the API reference tab. Then we will select the high-level functionality section where we will find the boa.env. Now, boa.env is defined as being a global environment object. According to BOA, different blockchains and different Pi EVMs are considered different environments. The Ethereum RPC object or class essentially wraps around our RPC URL, which is stored in the RPC variable, which then gets passed as a parameter to the network ENV function, which then gets stored in the ENV variable. This is how we end up with this line of code here. The ENV equals network ENV, Ethereum RPC. Once we have the ENV object, we can move forward and do something like this. boa.set underscore ENV, which gets a parameter of ENV, which is the object we just created. Now with the boa.set underscore ENV function with the parameter of ENV, we are essentially setting and connecting Titanoboa to our RPC URL by way of the ENV that we created to store it in. Now we're going to leave it there for now. Like I said, we're just going to be some light reading for today, explaining what's taking place after we actually printed out our portal number and what takes place next. So tomorrow we will go back inside our contract so we can look at these things that's happening also. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.